Let's make Soya Manchurian. Take 2 cups of soya chunks, add it to the boiling hot water pan, add some salt and bring it to a boil. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash it under cool water and squeeze out all the water. Take the soya chunks in a separate bowl. Now to this, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of maida, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give this a good mix. Now in a pan, heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and fry these soya chunks till they become golden brown. Once they are ready, keep them aside. Now in the same oil, you can add ginger garlic, finely chopped, and some chili flakes. Give this a good mix. To this we will add about 1 cup of diced onion and 1 cup of diced capsicum. Fry this for about a minute. Then we will add our sauces. Add some chili sauce, some tomato sauce and some soya sauce and cook this for about a minute. Now we will add the corn flour slurry and wait for the mixture to get thick. Once the sauce becomes a little thicker, we will add the soya chunks which we had fried earlier. Mix them together and garnish with some spring onion greens. Your soya manchurian is ready to be served with either Hakka noodles or with burnt garlic fried rice. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe for more weekly recipes. Thank you.